We have started VergeCloud with a conviction to empower Indian businesses with a cloud platform which delivers speed, security, and sovereignty at the edge. Our story is one of innovation, shaping the way India connects to its digital future.
People don't realize what goes behind the scenes when they click a button on their app and their data loads instantly. It is the strategic placement of the infrastructure closer to the user demand, coupled with the new age software that VergeCloud has built from scratch. And we have also made sure that our 11 plus POPs across India is covering the geography in a way that we provide optimal latency to the end users to consume their favorite content every day.
Part of VergeCloud's journey is connecting teams across border. What we built here and in India reaches customers everywhere.
We are tackling India's real internet problem with every new release, be it smooth streaming, faster checkout, or processing the payment gateways. By designing India's first CDN with built-in security and real-time insights into network and performance, we help corporates grow with confidence. And if we don't have any feature, do let us know. We will build it for you. Cheers like that.
Culture is not about perks. It's about sharing wins and building something meaningful together. At VergeCloud, our vision is to be India's next unicorn.
Guys, we need 15K views. Guys, pay attention.
Yeah.
15K views we need.
Soumya, where are my leads?
We gave you 162 leads.
Well, I need more.
Here we go again.
Guys, stop fighting. We got a deal.
When people ask what makes VergeCloud different, my answer is simple. We put customer success first, always. And here in India, compliance and sovereignty aren't just checkboxes. They are the foundations of lasting trust. And trust is what drives everything we do at VergeCloud.
1 year in,
And many more to go.